¿Qué vamos a traer? ¿Sí?
What'd you say about my girlfriend? I used to work in a Russian restaurant, Glasnost. They had a light pasta bowl called Ptichka, which in Russian means little bird. How do you like your coffee? How do you like your vodka with a splash of coffee and hold the cream? It's a very simple pasta dish. This is not really a Russian dish per se, but it comes from Russia with love. Glasnost! I'll take my vodka with a splash of coffee, hold the cream. This is not poison from the KGB. If you chill it, it can be a really excellent pasta salad.